No time to talk. Saw people with bags. They need to run. Let's go find out. Let's go find out. We too late? Too late? Too late? Huh? Which women's dunks? Damn, we're late. They got those women's dunks right there.
And you see the crowd here too.
Damn. All right, so we did miss out. The dunks, they're all gone. They do have these. Oh, look at that. That's the dunks. So they got these. They also got these. Okay. Missed the dunks literally by 2 minutes. Literally by 2 minutes, they ran out. We're going to look around and we're going to talk about this. We're going to talk about something. You New Balance fans, yes. They do got the 990s. These are the V5s right here. Is it me or are they getting more and more sleek? They look more and more sleek. I know these are made in America. I know New Balance fans love these. I know these, and they're nice. I'm not gonna lie, they're nice. Am I gonna pay 180, 185 now? They went up $5. That's still less than Nike, but yeah, they got quite a few colorways too. Not too bad, not too bad. Remember the 574s used to be on sale? Damn, we don't see none on sale. Damn, dog. Come on now, give us a little sale. The hairs, man. I know. I've been showing y'all. This is 30. Same old. Dude got Vans. Remember these? These were going for like 90. Yeah, they're down in price. I like the Lowlands. I do have one of those. Some nice suede material, canvas. I don't know all the names. I do apologize. Starting to go down in price. Not where I want it yet, but I think eventually I'm gonna grab one of these. I don't know why. I like those. I don't know why. Definitely paying $40 for it though. Dude got slides, and most slides. But then we also got these right here too. I've never seen these. Air Max Zeros. Seriously, I've never seen that. Okay. Looks pretty dope. It's more comfortable than my Air Max 90 slides. Or the cushioning seems a little bit better. Okay. I think the Air Max 90 slides look better though. But these are more comfy. Then got these. I might. This is size 10. I think I'm gonna get this. For my pops. That's what I'm gonna get it for. Okay. Damn. So, like, who is this for, dog? Like, really? Who? Like, come on now, dude. These are men's sizes. What guys are gonna buy that? Like, really? I don't understand, bro. These sale prices? Sale? Ooh. Oh man, they're Toon Squad ones. I thought they was like some real baseball ones or something. Okay, got 2 of them on sale for 20. All the dope Doyer ones and stuff, all regular price. See, like this is fire. Wear these with like the University Blue 3s or something. Yep. Did get this. I needed to remember Francisco helped me out. He's the one who got that for me. Damn, no Jordan? Damn, dog. So I always thought this place just doesn't get stuff. When they get stuff sells so quick. That's why we never see Jordans here. Just stuff sells really quick. I'm gonna be honest, I thought this was one of the quickest stores. I am all wrong. We're gonna talk about that at the end because yeah, this is one of the legit Foot Lockers for sure. That's changed, management changed, so maybe that's why. I've never seen this colorway right here. Jordan 36s, this is pretty legit, 185. I'm surprised that 36s haven't really gone up in price. Well, it used to be 180, now they're up to 185, I think. But they got a few colorways, performance supposed to be sick, okay. Seems like they're getting more and more stuff. This area used to be like totally empty. Does look like they're getting more and more stuff. All right, let's go pay for this. We're gonna go stand in line and we'll wrap it up. Okay, now we got legit JD Sports. All right, let's go. All right, first thing you do whenever you come in, you have to check out the front. Look, they got random restocks. Damn, they got all kinds of stuff. Look at that. Okay. Oh, damn, they got even more. They got the Easters. What is going on here? What? Got the ones right here. This is a men's. This is a smaller size. Got the 11s right here. Got 3 different 11s. Are you serious? 3 different 11s? The violets too? Man, this is crazy. I am so surprised. I know like none of these have crazy resale value, but the fact that these are all here, that is hella surprising. Grade school dunks. Man, this color's not bad too. That's fire. Got these as well. I haven't seen these in forever. When the hell did these come out? I don't remember. These came out last year, didn't they? Man, they got a random restock, yo. Some highs, dunk highs, 6s. Then the Easters. These just came out, didn't they? Didn't they just? Isn't today the release day? I think today's the release day. Okay, these materials not bad on these. Okay. And then the Del Sols. We've seen these a bunch of times. Not bad though, dude. That selection, ridiculous. Hats on sale. Dude, this is one of the doper ones. The one that I said, hey, that's pretty dope with the rings. Because y'all know the Lakers got more rings than your team. Y'all know that. Come on now. Man, $30 instead of $45. That's what's up. Oh, I forgot to show y'all. It does have the years right there. More stuff. That's fire, dude. 738s, dude. Damn, 30. Damn, that's not bad. I'm gonna pass. Another Lakers hat right here on sale, $25. Okay. Ooh, I'm a fan of that right there. I like black on black. I don't know why, but that's fire. That's actually dope. 25 bucks. That's what's up. Similar stuff to when we went to the Northridge store. Got Trae Young's on sale. Air Trainer SCs. These look pretty dope. Like a Phoenix Suns colorway right there. That's actually pretty dope. Kyrie's on sale. Man, I remember when we couldn't even find these in men's size, only kids. Oh, I actually really like these forums. Man, the only problem with these, leather, like right here, not the best, but the suede, I really like the suede. I like the colorway. It is down 25 bucks. I bought way too much stuff today though. And we're gonna go home, we're gonna talk about all this stuff. I'm hitting up a lot more stores than usual, so y'all probably actually heard about all the stuff that I bought because I have to work all weekend. Usually I come to stores throughout the weekend, but I am working a majority of this weekend, unfortunately. That's the thing that does suck about being an adult sometimes, but it is what it is, you guys. Do got some Jordan 1 mids right here. That one's pretty big. This is a smaller size. Okay, so they probably have multiple sizes on this. This is a 10.5. That looks huge then, but I think this one's small. No, these are all big. And then they got some 11s, Comfort 11s. 120 for these. OG Prestos on sale, and the mids, man. Of course, these are all gonna go on sale, right? Those of y'all that don't watch my channel, y'all are missing out because these are the Mitchell & Ness jerseys. I showed them being on hella sale. Buy one, get one free. I showed that on Chic. That was going on to Chic. I was going on for 2 weeks. 2 freaking weeks. I talked about it on multiple occasions. They did have the women's one. I did buy one of these for a friend of mine. Y'all ain't watching, man. Y'all missing out. 100 bucks for those. They didn't have any women's Rodmans though, or Pippins. Those look pretty dope, dude. 100 bucks a piece. Those look hot. Y'all women wear those hot, especially with these shorts right there. All right, let's wrap it up. I was like, where's Bosco? He's outside on the phone. Okay. All right, let's move on to the next spot. Extreme Board Shop. Have you guys ever won anything from here? I know they do have an SB account. They do raffles on Instagram. Have y'all won anything from here? They have in-store raffles too. I don't know if it's legit. Let me know in the comment section if you guys have won there. We're gonna hit up 2 more shops and then we're gonna wrap it up. And I'm kind of hungry too. I haven't eaten jack. All right, let's go stop by Champs and see what they got. All right, guys. So this is the Champs. I think this might be the only questionable store in this mall, but we still look around just because there aren't that many sneaker shops here now. Let's look around. Yeah, that's what I'm looking at. It 70% off. Do got Leonard jerseys. You know, Clipper jerseys gonna be on sale. But yeah, this is the Swingman jersey. $33, $110, 70% off. 70% off. They got some shirts, like Puma shirts, like nothing too dope to be really honest. Like, what is this? Stay Black. All right, okay. All right, we've seen these now at a few times. All right, we've seen these at a few spots now. These ain't as bad as I thought they'd be. Oh, I did forget the leather quality is pretty mediocre regarding the toe guard right here and the side panel. The white parts are really mediocre. The red parts are actually really nice. Do got some tumbled leather. They didn't use any tumbled leather on the white though. What's up with that? It's like Jordan 1 mid leather. Like the ones on that. That's what it looks like. Are any of these on sale yet? So we have been seeing them at the outlets now. No, not yet. So that's pretty much about it for the Jordans. Not really seen too much here. I guess we know why. God dang, seedlings are high as hell over here. What the hell? All right, we do got a kid's Foot Locker. All right, let's look around here. See if they got any steals and deals. Grade school. This is kids Foot Locker, so they do got grade school dunks. Then they do got some Jordans as well. Okay, man. Time's changing, huh? Times is changing. They definitely are. Crocs, $20 for a bunch of kids Crocs. That's pretty dope. I don't know about these. Well, especially for my boy, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know about those. These are, oh, okay, maybe these $20. I think that's worth it for my kiddo. I think all the other ones are I'm good with. Okay, but they're still decent prices, $20. These ain't bad as well for the kiddos, $20. That's kind of cute. Then do got the Chicago 75th anniversaries. Of course, this is preschool. This is small. This is it. Is it preschool or is it even toddler? I don't know, but it's hella small. I could use that as a thumbnail, but come on, I'm not trying to be shady. You know, a lot of YouTubers would. Also got those as well. They got deals on apparel. We've seen deals on hoodies. It is summertime now. Jackets, hoodies. Can find all that type of stuff on sale. All right, let's go to the last store. I think we got one more store left. Lord, I'm getting some Panda, and I just saw something random. Look, so a plate is $10.10. A drink is $2.20. So that's what, $12.30 total. And then look, they got a combo, and it's 20 cents more. Like, are we retarded? Like, do we not notice it? What the hell, dude? Dude, got a sheet. That's the last store here. Let's go see what's up. I did eat some Panda, and now let's look around. Dude got marinas. They don't have that many sizes. I think this is just grade school. This one, stuff moves really quick, but they did get the marinas before. They still got these and these. Also got ones, mids. Okay. I've showed they do have a dope Jordan section right here. Just got a lot of dope apparel. They have stuff here that they don't have at other Chics. Especially Jordan stuff, man. I think we've seen this stuff. This is pretty dope. It's women's, so it's not really gonna fit me. I don't think this is men's. That's women's or kids. Yeah, this is women's. Oh yeah, this is women's. This is men's stuff. Man, these shirts are ridiculous. Oh, these are women's shirts or sweatshirts. $45 for those. What? Why is it? Oh, they're t-shirts. They're like oversized t-shirts. Okay. They do got these. What the hell? These are dope. These the Easters? Is that what they're calling them? These are definitely interesting. Dude, the material's not bad. These are alright, whatever. But these are dope. They come out of secret, right? That's the release date today. What's the release date? You guys got that many extras? Damn. No. So, okay, so it usually is raffle, but they got first come, first serve, and then they also got a restock of these, the Cardinals. Damn, the red, like, yeah. Red's like way popping out. What the hell? Why looks like crazy red on the camera? Okay. All right, 7.5 right there. Got men's sizes. And then for y'all, man, y'all that don't watch my channel, y'all missed out, because man, they had all kinds of stuff here for 2 weeks. I told y'all fools for 2 weeks. They did have a BOGO, buy one get one free, for all their apparel, including the Mitchell & Ness jerseys. They did not have that before. Now they do. Man, fire stuff. Man, they did have these though, but I didn't come back to this store for a long time. I didn't come here for 2 weeks, so they had that the day one. And I forgot to let a few people know. My bad, you guys. My bad. Bosco working hard on his Instagram.
Yeah, man. Oh, YouTube actually.
Oh, you're working on YouTube? Oh, my bad, man. Damn. Okay. Damn, this fool editing here. All right. Let's get out of here. All right, let's get out. We're out, dude. I gotta go drink. Bye. All right, guys. I think that was the first video I've done in forever without an intro. Bosco and I were running in. Soon as we got there, we saw, I don't know, we just felt the vibe. We saw a couple different kids coming out with bags from Foot Locker, so we kind of just made a run. We assumed that they had something. They did have the dunks, those Chicago 75th anniversary dunks, and yeah, we missed out. We missed out, man. We missed out by like probably 2 minutes. I think the first couple kids that were coming out, like those were the first ones that got them, and we missed out. It seems like that store's legit. Info does probably get out. Info gets out of every store, but I think that's legit. But I don't know. But I'm pretty sure that store is legit. I did buy a pair of slides, these Boost slides. I did get these bad boys. $20. $20. Pretty freaking good deal. I think I got mine for what, 15, but I don't know. I was like, my pops could use one of these. Grabbed one of them. Pretty much I could do a survey, just so I could say, hey, I appreciate, like, you know, they try to release it at random times, which kind of helps more than just releasing them in the morning, because if it's in the morning, us regular folks have zero chance. If it is throughout the day, you know, hopefully you're at the mall and hopefully you have a chance at them, you know. But yeah, I definitely, I've come up there before, so I definitely appreciate what they do. And then some of the other shops, we saw a lot of Jordans. We've been seeing that for the last couple weeks now. Been seeing a lot more Jordans readily available. You know, I don't know when things are going to change or how things are going to change, whatnot, but I've been talking about this for the last couple months, the last few months actually, where I think the market's going to go down, and it seems to be headed that direction. I don't know how things are going to go within the next 6 months. Maybe they'll continue to go down. I don't know. Maybe we might see stuff at the outlets for sale. I know some of you guys are finding stuff at the outlets for sale. Maybe we'll see more and more. I don't know. For some of you resellers, probably not the best news, but for me, I'm all good with Jordan being on sale. I'm all good with us being able to cop stuff for the low. So we'll see what happens. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Y'all know how much that means to me. Make sure you help our boy out. Press that like button. It's free. Don't cost you nothing. Takes you like 2 seconds. And if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. I do drop a lot of videos, you know, so subscribe, turn on that notification. Usually drop videos early in the morning. Hopefully you're there to catch them. The shaky videos, this is the last of the series of the shaky videos. My phone settings were all jacked up. I've fixed the issue and they should be all right now. So hopefully I can get you guys some smooth 4K 60 frames per second. But yeah, I do apologize for these videos being so damn shaky. I'm just throwing them at 1080p because they're shaky and whatever. So, but yeah, hopefully the information helps. Yeah, see you guys next one. Peace.